If you want to change the notification sound for specific apps on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then first we need to open the settings, and then here in the settings, we're gonna proceed to notifications. Over here in the notifications, we should be able to go to advanced settings, and you want to enable this option here, manage notification categories for each app. This option is actually disabled by default, so we need to turn it on. After that, we're gonna go back to notification settings, and we want to go to app notifications. Choose the app for which you want to change the notification sound. There we go. And then in here, we should be able to find notification categories. Now, unfortunately, we cannot change the sound for this app in general, or for any app in fact, but what we can do is we can change the sound for specific categories. So if I go to, for example, incoming messages over here, as you can see, I have the sound option, and I can just choose whichever sound should be played when I actually get this kind of notification from this app. Maybe in the future, Samsung is going to allow us to finally change the notification sound for specific app in general, instead of just changing one by one in notification categories, but so far, this is how it looks like. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.